Seam cutting for noraplan. Rolls of noraplan must always be stored vertically. Measure the length and width of the room precisely. Use a steel straight edge to mark the installation axis in the middle of the room. Lay the noraplan along the installation axis in the direction of the arrow. Place the untrimmed edges neatly against each other. Allow the material to adjust to the room climate. The floor should be at least 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, and the room around 18 degrees Celsius, 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The air humidity should not exceed 65%. Lay the sheets with an overlap of at least 3 centimeters, 1.18 inches. The factory trimmed edge must be on top. Adjust the blade of the seam cutter with 2 offcuts so that you do not cut the whole way through the bottom sheet. Place the steel straight edge against the seam about 1 centimeter from the top edge and use the seam cutter to cut along the straight edge. Trim the ends, touching the wall with a knife. Use a hooked blade to cut a slight undercut along the new top edge, trim the bottom sheet, and remove the remaining strip. And there you have it, the perfect seam.